Welcome everybody to your channel Competitive Pedia. Today we are going to discuss regarding first woman chairperson of SEBI. So let's begin with the session. Now the government has appointed Madhabi Puri Buch as the new chairperson of SEBI. She is the first woman chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Between 2017 to 2021, she also served in SEBI as a whole-time member, and she was also the former head of ICICI Securities. Now, whom she has replaced? So, she will replace Ajay Tyagi, a 1984 batch IAS officer from the Himachal Pradesh cadre as the chairperson of SEBI. Now, the tenure of Ajay Tyagi will end on 28th of February 2022. Now, what is the appointment procedure and how these are being selected? So, the candidates are shortlisted by Financial Sector Regulatory Appointment Search Committee FSRASC. Then the shortlisted candidates are interviewed by the panel, which consists of Economic Affairs Secretary and 3 external members with domain knowledge. On the basis of interaction, the FSRASC recommends the name to the Appointments Committee of Cabinet, which is headed by the Prime Minister. Clear? Now, what is this FSRASC? Full form we all know, Financial Sector Regulatory Appointment Search Committee. So, it is a type of standing committee which was set up on the basis of recommendation of Financial Sector Legislative Reforms Commission. Clear? Now, what is the work of FSRASC? So, it recommends suitable persons for chairperson, whole-time members and part-time members of the financial sector regulators. Clear? Now, composition of FSRASC. So, it is headed by the Cabinet Secretary. Other members are Additional Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister, Secretary of the Department of Economic Affairs or the Department of Financial Services, Chairperson of the concerned regulatory authority and 3 outside experts. Now coming towards SEBI. So SEBI full form is Securities and Exchange Board of India, and it is the regulatory body for securities and commodity market in India. It comes under the ownership of Ministry of Finance. It was established on 12th April 1988 and given statutory powers on 30th January 1992 through the SEBI Act 1992. Clear? And its headquarters is in Mumbai. Now, what is the work of SEBI? Its main work is to protect the investor interest, and it also regulate the share market, capital market, commodity market, future market, mutual fund and participatory notes. So these are some important works which SEBI deals. So this was for the day. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Happy learning from Competitive Pedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.